Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron on a patch. First, gather your materials: the patch, the garment, a hot iron, and a thin pressing cloth. Make sure your garment can handle high heat without damage. Next, preheat your iron to its highest dry setting. Avoid using any steam during this process for best results. This preparation ensures a strong, lasting bond for your patch. Now, lay your garment flat on a sturdy, heat-resistant surface, like an ironing board. Carefully position your patch exactly where you want it to be. Once the patch is perfectly placed, cover it completely with your thin pressing cloth. This cloth protects both the patch and your garment from direct iron heat, preventing scorching and ensuring an even application. With the patch covered, press the hot iron down firmly for about 30 seconds. Apply consistent, even pressure across the entire patch. Next, flip your garment inside out and repeat the pressing process on the back of the patch for another 30 seconds. This helps activate the adhesive from both sides. Finally, let the patch cool completely before handling. Once cooled, gently check all the edges of your patch to ensure it's securely adhered. If you find any loose spots, simply reapply the pressing cloth and press with the iron for another 10 to 15 seconds until it's fully bonded. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.